Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Affiliate marketing. You might have heard about it. It is the talk of the town in 2020. Meanwhile, people are making websites one after another to affiliate with brands and e-commerce businesses. The top of the list among these brands is Amazon. However, there's not one but several methods you can use to generate revenue using Amazon, and that is what we're going to discuss in this video. Today we're going to be talking about the top 15 legit ways to make money on Amazon. Yes, you hear it right. Amazon is a very huge marketplace for buyers and sellers, and it provides a lot of ways by working full-time or part-time to earn some good cash. Make sure you stay until number 1 as you don't want to miss the best way to earn on Amazon. Number 15. Amazon flags deliveries. Have you seen that a number of your Amazon deliveries are being released off by random individuals rather than by the standard UPS drivers? This new program permits individuals to get $18 to $25 an hour in their free time and helps Amazon with handing over bundles significantly faster. Flags is gradually being turned out across the country, and you can see what regions are accessible or join the shortlist for your region. This side hustle offers to individuals who have a solid vehicle yet may not fit the bill for Uber or Lyft, or just dislike driving outsiders around. Number 14. Amazon services. Do you know that utilize Amazon the interface with a handyman to fix the kitchen sink you buy from Amazon? As indicated by the new Amazon services, experts like housekeepers, handy persons, circuit repairmen, exterior decorators, handymen, and a lot more can apply to sell their administrations through Amazon. After you go along with, you'll see each new position in your general vicinity and have the option to pick the ones that fit your timetable. There are no startup or participation charges, yet Amazon will charge some fees per booking. Number 13. Amazon work from home jobs. If you need a job where you can work from the comfort of your home, consider joining Amazon's virtual client support group, also known as Amazon's Work from Home Customer Service Associate. Virtual opportunities aren't accessible everywhere, yet if you live in a specific zone, you might have the option to apply for Amazon's telecommute positions, given that you're qualified and a correct fit for the position. They usually pay $10 per hour. They're non-clients administration jobs that those with a certified tech foundation might apply for. For example, cloud tech account supervisors and specialized mentors. Number 12. Amazon Trade-in Program. Have you any idea that Amazon will pay you for utilized books, DVDs, Kindle gadgets, tablets, mobile phones, and different items? This administration is offered through an official exchange program, which pays you an Amazon blessing credit for your product. It's not exactly money. However, a credit that can only be used for made purchases on Amazon, which is an altogether not a bad offer. The cool part is, they give you a free prepaid USPS or UPS dispatching name as well. So you should simply bundle up the thing and send it off. It's simpler than eBay because you don't need to take pictures. Keep an eye out for a sale to end or managed buyers. In case you're planning to clean your room, look at what your things are worth to Amazon. Number 11. Kindle Books. Amazon's Kindle stage has engaged a large number of creators to dive in and independently publish their work to the world. Truth be told, there are currently more than 6 million Kindle titles ready to move. Independently, publishing is one of the most loved and longest-running side hustles. The way Kindle writers bring it in cash is when people acquire your book through the Kindle Unlimited program. This program, which prices writers dependent on what numbers of pages of substance your perusers expend, will in general work better for fiction writers, and perusers will regularly eat up a few books in a month on the off chance that they like your work. So if you're someone with a knack of writing, then you should try your luck with this program. Number 10. Twitch streaming. Engaging video gamers are acquiring genuine cash, broadcasting their games live on the Amazon-possessed Twitch.tv. These streaming videos bring in cash with a portion of the site's membership charges, publicizing on their channels, gift, and offering a product to their fans. The most well-known players are assessed to get $300,000 or more every year. So if you're someone with a good sense of playing video games and online games, then you should start affiliating with Amazon by streaming your playing videos on twitch.tv. If not much, it will get you enough revenue that could buy you some coffees. Number 9. Make money on Mechanical Turk. Amazon's Mechanical Turk is a fascinating publicly supported workstage. It practices principally in truly low expertise undertakings, yet ones that despite everything require a natural eye. As a result of the low expertise required, these assignments regularly pay close to nothing, normally beginning at a couple of pennies. A considerable lot of the laborers are abroad where the expenses of living are lower. However, the stage is available to US laborers too. It sincerely wouldn't be my first decision of side hustles, yet it is a choice. Number 8. Amazon Alexa skills. There are 2 or 3 different ways side hustles can bring in cash with Amazon's well-known Echo gadgets. The first is Apple's application store. You can construct extraordinary Alexa voice applications called Abilities. As a gifted engineer, you can set your own cost and acquire 70% of the income when clients get it. For instance, Nick Swab made a free surrounding commotion ability and now has 10,000 paying clients for an excellent membership variant, estimated somewhere in the range of $0.99 and $1.99 every month. Amazon additionally has a prices program to urge designers to work out the biological system of aptitudes. So, what you will earn will depend upon the extent of your skills. Number 7. Amazon Associates. A gradual pay stream throughout the years has been Amazon Associates, Amazon's subsidiary showcasing program. On the off chance that you have a site or blog of your own, this is an approach to get paid when you allude purchasers to Amazon for items you talk about or include on your webpage. Your bonus will run from 4 to 15%, relying upon what you sell, however can indicate a noteworthy sum. The best piece of Amazon's associate program isn't the commission rate, however. It's indeed one of the good methods to invest in as a source of passive income. The best parts are the high transformation rate and how you'll gain commission on all that somebody inevitably purchases after they click your connection. By this method, you will earn throughout the years. Number 6. Amazon Handmade. Amazon has a program called Amazon Handmade and is available to merchants by the application. The Handmade program is available to artisans who make embellishments, work of art, excellence and personal care products, dress, shoes and handbags, home products, toys and games, etc. You can in any case set your cost and control the marking and informing on your business pages. You can satisfy orders yourself. Amazon takes a 15% cut from each deal, which is somewhat higher than platforms like Etsy. Number 5. Audiobooks. One of the methods is to turn your ebook, which you have listed to sell on Amazon, into an audiobook as well. Not every book will require an audio version, so you need to be careful about that. However, there might be a good probability of a higher rate of selling once your book has all 3 formats available on Amazon listing page. Also, there are people out there who prefer listening rather than reading. Amazon has this issue sorted out for you too. They have created an audiobook creation exchange or ACX where you can hire narrators for your book to turn it into an audio version. This method comes along with another hassle, and that is to become a narrator at Amazon's ACX program, where people may hire you to narrate their piece of writing. Either way, as money is transferring into your account. Number 4. Amazon Vine. If you routinely use Amazon and read surveys, you've most likely understood a couple of that says the individual get a free item in return for an audit. Much the same as Amazon Trade-in. You won't get money in case you're a piece of Amazon Vine, yet you'll get stock for nothing in return for an audit. Fundamentally, it's a program that is just offered to individuals who leave steady surveys for items, so not anybody can join. On the off chance that you appreciate expounding on your involvement in different items and will in general get plenty of supportive votes from the Amazon People group, you may be a solid match for Vine voices. Number 3. Sell your designs with Amazon merch. The Merch by Amazon program is a very cool way to make extra money without any contribution at all. All you need to do is to design. Rest will be handled by Amazon itself. The printing, shipping, etc. You will get paid quite a handsome amount of money for each order you manage to get. It is the same as a drop shipping method. It is one of the best ways of making passive income online. Number 2. Private label your product. To stay away from a portion of the position on Amazon, numerous dealers have picked to private name their thing, which implies they're enlisting it on Amazon as their own. The procedure for private marking is more confounded than just purchasing a thing from Alibaba and selling it. The advantage of selling your marked item on Amazon is that you generally have full control for posting, and you can make changes to your item if you have to. Suppose your clients whimmed about a specific component of your item. You could then make changes to it. For instance, suppose you sold pencils, yet saw a ton of the negative surveys referenced that they wished the eraser worked better and that the pencil itself was more extensive for better hold. You would then be able to take those suggestions from analysts and art your pencil and get it trademarked. Number 1. Retail arbitrage. Retail exchange is a great purchase low, sell high plan of action. How it functions is you discover items at profound limits locally and exchange them on Amazon for a benefit. On the off chance that you need, Amazon will even deal with the delivery for you through their FBA program. This is one of the best methods, as the chances of your thing getting sold increases manyfold when it will be listed on a platform like Amazon. Also, the convenient exchange and delivery method make it more feasible. So what are you waiting for? While you are here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!